Today, I'll show you how to completely remove or disable the header and footer from a WordPress page using classic theme options. If you've ever wanted to create a totally clean landing page, portfolio, or maybe just focus attention on one particular section of your site, this tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control these elements with just a few clicks, even if you're not an expert in WordPress or web design. Let's dive right in. First, it helps to know that many of the most popular WordPress themes, like Astra, OceanWP, or GeneratePress, include built-in features that let you show or hide different parts of your site on a page-by-page basis. This means you don't need to install any extra plugins or mess with complicated code. Imagine you're building with Lego blocks. You get to decide exactly which pieces to display on each page. Handy, right? To get started, head over to the page you want to edit within the standard WordPress editor. You'll do this by going to your WordPress dashboard, finding Pages on the left sidebar, and then clicking on the specific page's title. It's important you're editing the right page, so double-check the page name if you have a lot of similar ones, just to be safe. Once the page editor loads, focus your attention over to the right-hand sidebar. Depending on which theme you're using, this section might be labeled Theme Settings, Astra Settings, or something similar. It might take a moment to spot if your sidebar is filled with options. If you don't see it right away, try clicking once in the blank area around the sidebar or scroll down a bit. Sometimes things shift around after plugin updates. Within this sidebar, look for checkboxes or toggle switches labeled Disable Header and Disable Footer. These are your magic buttons. They're typically grouped together under elements you can toggle on or off for this exact page, so you're not affecting your whole site, just this one spot. If you're not sure, hover your mouse over the labels for a second. Some themes even provide a little info box explaining what each toggle does. Now simply check both boxes, Disable Header and Disable Footer. When you check these, you're telling WordPress, leave the header and footer off this page, please. Think of it like turning off lights in a room you don't need right now. There won't be any navigation menus, site logos, or footer widgets taking up space on this specific page, letting your content shine front and center. After you've made your selection, don't forget to update or publish your changes. The blue Update or Publish button is usually at the top right corner of the editor. This is crucial. If you navigate away without saving, your changes disappear, so take a breath and double-check. Once you've updated, go ahead and view your page. You should see a crisp, distraction-free layout, just your core content and none of the standard header or footer. If you don't see the changes reflected, try refreshing the page or clearing your browser cache. Sometimes WordPress can be a little stubborn with showing updates right away. And if your theme doesn't show these specific toggle switches, you might be using a theme that doesn't support these options. In that case, let me know in the comments and I can suggest some workarounds. That's really all there is to it. With just a couple of clicks, you can remove the header and footer from individual pages, giving you total design freedom. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Drop any questions in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward WordPress guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.